said, don't fall. Don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run. Don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began.
Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be doing a very quick one. I'll be installing a frontal wig from Upretty hair. This is a 13x4 HD lace deep wave hair. Guys, this hair is beautiful, it's lush and it is sleek. The wig has 3 wig combs at the front and it has 1 wig comb at the back. It also has adjustable straps for proper fitting. Guys, this wig is lovely. The hairlines are top notch and they are well pre-plucked. The lace net smells to the skin. Everything is just wonderful about this unit. The wig came with some packages inside. It came with a pair of lashes. It came with a wig cap. It came with an edge control brush. It came with a hair clip. It came with a tail comb. It came with a hair bonnet, and it also came with a headband. So guys, all of the information concerning this unit is available in the description box. So guys, let's continue with the tutorial.
Just stay quiet, gone to the